Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki SV650. The world of sport motorcycling beckons with promises of speed, agility, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating realm, selecting the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Suzuki SV650, renowned for its accessible power, versatile performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, stands out as the ultimate sport motorcycle for those commencing their journey into this exciting world. With its balanced performance, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric characteristics, the SV650 provides the perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Suzuki SV650 lies a potent yet manageable 645cc V-twin engine that offers a harmonious blend of power and approachability. This engine provides sufficient performance to savor the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a smooth learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The SV650 boasts a sporty design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sleek lines, minimalist fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody the essence of sport bike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also appreciate the SV650's sporty persona. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the SV650 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable and upright riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and long journeys. The well-padded seat, mid-set handlebars, and accommodating footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Suzuki SV650 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the SV650 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited escapes. The SV650's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand and the SV series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the SV650 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki SV650 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The SV650 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to providing the ideal sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the SV650 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Suzuki SV650 as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.